Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Asif Chaudhary. Today date is 19 November 2021 and today's topic name is classes and object in Java. So in this topic we will discussing about what is classes in Java and what is object in Java and the concept of declaration of class and object in Java and the difference between classes and object. Let's start with what is a classes and object in Java. In Java, classes and objects are the basic concept of the object-oriented programming. Each revolves around the real-life entities. Let's start with class. Class is a blueprint or template from which object is created, and it contains the set of the properties and the methods. Let's discuss the declaration of the class. In declaration of the class, it contains the access modifier, class name, then class body. Let's discuss with access modifier. Access modifier, Java will provide the four type of access modifier. First one is public, then default, then private and protected. And access modifier is used to in class to visibility of the class. If we can use the public access modifier, then class is visible in the package, outside the package, in the class, outside the class, etc. And if you doesn't provide any access modifier, then it is considered as a default access modifier. Then next is class keyword. Class keyword is used to declare the class. Then next is class name. It is a unique name which is provided to the class from which class is known. And next is body. In class body we can write the set of properties, methods, set of program, etc. Then let's discuss the object. Object in Java is the instance of the variable, and object is a physical entity which revolve around the real life entities. And in object there are in object it is provided a state and behavior is known as the object. Let's discuss the characteristics of the object. First is state. State represent the properties of the object, and it is represented by the instance variable of the object. Next is behavior. Behavior represent the functionality of the object, and it is represented by methods in Java. And next is identity. Identity of the object is a unique name from which object is object. Next is difference between object and classes. Object is a instance of the variable, and classes is the blueprint or template from which object is created. Object is a physical entity, and class is a logical entity. Object is created by using new keyword, and class is declared by using class keyword. We can create the multiple object as per requirement, and we can create method only once. This is the difference between classes and object. This is all about the classes and object in Java. Thank you.